yabona uxoka bayandidika mna abantwana bakwaTikTok rha. Ndihamba for 3 months bayatrenda, ndibuye bayatrenda, ndihambe ndiphinde ndibe ngathi ndihamba, ndiphinde ndibe ngathi ndiyabuya, baphinde badlale ngeekheroti, baphinde kuthiwani yeyi babethane batsalane ngeebraids. Yeyi man efok. Hayi man, yeyi fok man, yeyi.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seemah. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. So Seemah is back on TikTok after taking a couple of days or few weeks off the platform after her much online publicized fallout with the ex 2 seconds of friendship. Sign Bougie. First video she does when she comes back is that of how she feels about the online fight that's currently happening on TikTok between Paballo and Thando, you guys. Of course, Seemah jokingly, or what's the word, sarcastically said that the fight has become too little too much. Every day all long is them constantly fighting online, dragging each other and basically calling each other names, you guys. She said that schools should reopen so that this fight come to an end, because clearly the two girls are bored at home doing nothing, which is something that most people on TikTok had to agree with her on, you guys. Now please do engage with me, share your thoughts in the comment and subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will definitely see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.